Hello guys and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to be discussing a very important topic. Okay, a lot of people have been, so you've been asking me, I'm 16, I'm 17, would I be able to write JAMB and all that? So I'm here to answer that question. In fact, everyone messaging me now is I'm 16 years old. Will I be qualified to take JAMB and all that? So I'm going to be asking that question. Before we get into it, please make sure you subscribe, you follow us on our channel, and for instant updates on all your exams, JAMB, WAEC. We've been here since 2017, serving every student in Nigeria, okay, making sure that they pass their exam. So right now, exams around the corner. Every of our channel now is educative. We drop educative videos, materials, key points, name it. For you wake up, you see something educational, you sleep, you wake, everything. You see, if you want to kickstart your study, just make sure you are subscribed and you follow us, okay? And most especially follow our Facebook group. Join our Facebook group. We're going to be having some, you ask your questions, the PDF materials, things, everything, freely. That will be passing information freely to you will be there. Your materials, your PDFs, everything will be there. Make sure you join the Facebook group, okay? And don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app, okay? For your, we have the JAMB CBT app, we have WAEC, we have Junior WAEC, we have Common Entrance app. Don't forget to get it. If you want to download it, you can check the Google Play Store. If you want to download your laptop, you just contact me. I'll send you the links, or you can just check the website. In the links, you would see it on our link 3. You're going to see that. And also, finally, if you want to join our online classes, I'm going to prepare you for your WAEC and JAMB examinations. Please do contact me. My WhatsApp details, everything is in the video description box. Okay, now to answer that question. Now, the deal is our Ministry of Education, federal, okay? Right now a new curriculum is being rolled out, okay? All right, sorry that my kids are around, so one is having cough, so sorry about the background noise. Okay, so there's a new curriculum rolled out, all right, and it's a positive one, okay? And it's to inculcate, bring in entrepreneurship, skills development. It's not just to push out students that are looking for employment. No, okay, we're trying to make young people look for ways to be entrepreneurial, okay, create job, go into problem solving, collaborating with other people, critical thinking. Okay, so so the introduction of the 16-year-old now, it doesn't affect 16-year barrier and all that. It doesn't affect you writing WAEC. That's one thing they have made clear. You can write WAEC whatever age you are, not at least 16, 15, you can write WAEC. But now it doesn't also affect you writing JAMB. You can write JAMB and test it out, but what it affects is your admission into school. So today, as I speak to you today, so a student contacted me, will I gain admission? Okay, I would be 18 by August 2025. That's next year August. Right now she's 17. Next year August she will be 18. Okay, so I said yes, you will be able to be you'll be granted admission. That it doesn't affect you. Your age doesn't affect you writing JAMB, but what it affects you is in gaining admission. Okay, because that's where the rule is, all right. And JAMB has come out also to say that for students that show futures of being geniuses and all that, have very good academical grades, very high, excelling high academically, that there will be some caveats to ensure, okay, this student is this exceptional and maybe allowed admission into school. Okay, I don't know how they are still working on that framework. Okay, so what else? Sorry about that. So okay, so that is for that particular set of people. So if you are not in that category, all right, if you're not up to 18 by the time schools are giving admission. Now, schools give admission around September. Post-UME forms come out. Okay, so I told her that yes, you can take JAMB and you would gain admission, because by August you turn 18. By the time admission process starts, they're going to look at your birth certificate with this kind of rule now. your birth certificate will be looked at. So you'll be 18, so you definitely gain admission. So I hope you understand this fully now. Okay, so we let us still wait. We don't know, it can be debated on the house of rep. Some people are still against it, that why should you stop people. Okay, so let us still wait. Hopefully, maybe it can be debated in the House of Assembly, House of, they can be debated, and Senate will come together and say, oh, some Senate will be against, some will be for, parents association will put their own, student association will go there. There will still, I'm sure there's still going to be something like that. So fingers crossed it might be reversed. All right, fingers crossed. But if it's not reversed, just know that if you, at least maximum by September next year, you should be 18, you have the chances of gaining admission into university. But if you are 17 by next year, you won't be able to gain admission. So the thing the federal government is saying is that if you're coming out 15, 16 out of secondary school, go and learn a skill. 2 years, 1 year, learn a skill. And for me, it's very, very good. Okay, and you might be saying, will you allow your children? Yes, I want them to learn a skill. It's important in this life. Are you with me? The rush into education, you come out, you are looking for a job. No. Learn a skill. Yes, I would love them to, even in the West, US and whatever, there's what we call gap year. Like a whole full year that, you just learn something just to explore your skills. Are you getting me? All right, okay, but what the disadvantage I see with that 1 year, 2 years is, for some people it might not make them want to go back to school again. Are you with me? That's the disadvantage I see in that, because when you leave the education system for long, to carry book again I'm a witness. When I left school, to go for another program again was difficult. Okay, and why some people excel at it is real critical work, determination and all that, for you to really go back and carry those books. So for young people it can be a bit challenging. So that's my own take on that, stopping it and all that. But the entrepreneurial angle, I love that. Okay, so for me it's a dilemma and all that, but I feel a serious student can kickstart their study back again. Okay, after learning your skills, you can still go back to school to refine them, learning critical thinking skills, communication, collaborating with people. Okay, so it's beneficial on the long run for the country. For you, it's beneficial. Okay, so that's it. If there's any updates, I would make sure I come do a video. Okay, I just want to address it. A lot of students on my timeline WhatsApping me, dropping messages on the group, Facebook group and all that. Okay, on our comments and all, with YouTube dropping comments. So this is what I have for you right now. All right, so please do make sure you stay subscribed to DTW Tutorials. Follow us on our channel, and yes, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Okay, he's the way, he's the truth, and he's the life. He's the one who's going to lead you to heaven at last and give you peace right here on earth. Okay, in Jesus is everything. Everything is in Jesus. Okay, come to him. He's going to make your life beautiful once more. From us, from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win. Say it, I am destined to win. All right, in the forthcoming exams and also in your life roundabout, you are destined to win. See you in our next video. Thank you.